Hello everyone, I'm Sanchita Shrivas and I'm your host for today's podcast in Doms to Diaries. So for this we have our BTech 4th year undergrad with us. So let's get started with an introduction.
Hello everyone, myself Bhargavi Divyam. I am a BTech final year undergrad at Civil Department.
Hello, I'm Arya Pandey, pursuing my BTech from Chemical Science and Technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Anusha Gupta. I am from the CSE department.
So first of all thank you for joining us. आज आपसे थोड़ी अनफिल्टर्ड बातें हम लोग कैंपस की करने वाले हैं ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि कैसे हाउ द लाइफ लुक्स इन IITG। तो उस रिगार्डिंग आपसे मैं थोड़े क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी। सबसे पहले मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग का जो स्टार्टिंग विथ योर फर्स्ट ईयर जर्नी, आप लोग ने JEE देकर आप लोग यहाँ पर आए होंगे। सो देन कुछ स्टडी हैबिट्स में चेंज हुई होगी, लाइक आप लोगों को पहले MCQs की आदत थी, यहाँ पर आके डायरेक्ट सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन लिखने थे। तो इस पर आप लोग का क्या लाइफ चेंज हुआ, ये एक बार एक्सपीरियंस आप शेयर करेंगे?
Like very fair as you said कि JEE में completely the paper was not completely but हाँ mostly it was MCQ and obviously जब हम यहाँ भी आए थे पहली बार तो इनफैक्ट मैथ्स जैसे सब्जेक्ट में हमने सब्जेक्टिव आंसर्स लिखे थे। इट वॉज मोर लाइक थ्योरेटिकली तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन करना था कि तुम्हारा थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है या फिर तुम्हारा अप्रोच ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है एक प्रॉब्लम को लेकर के। सो दैट वाज अ बिग शिफ्ट इन माय लर्निंग मेथड ऑल्सो।
एंड आई थिंक ऐसे आदत नहीं थी कि 5 एग्जाम्स देने की बैक टू बैक एंड विद नो स्लीप एंड एक दिन पहले सिलेबस कवर करना। सो दैट वाज अ बिग चेंज फॉर मी आल्सो।
एक्चुअली यहाँ पर आके इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ में पहले ऐसा होता है कि एक रात पहले पढ़ने वाली जो स्किल है वो हम डेवलप करते हैं। तो आपका क्या मानना है? लाइक लोगों का बोलना होता है कि हाँ बहुत पहले से पढ़ना होता है या ये होता है। डज इट ऑल्सो अप्लाइज हियर ऑल्सो कि बहुत पहले से पढ़ना होता है?
पर्सनली आई फील कि अगर बहुत जिन लोग के लिए बहुत कोर इम्पॉर्टेंट है एंड दे वांट टू कंटिन्यू इन दैट डोमेन, आई फील लाइक कि वो कंटिन्यूसली पढ़ते रहे तो उनके लिए बेटर है। बट आई थिंक पर्सनली अब मैं अपना देखूँ तो एक दिन पहले रात को ही पढ़ के आई कैन रिटेन मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट दैट आई हैव स्टडीड। तो मेरे लिए पर्सनली वो बेटर रहा है।
मतलब तुम अगर थोड़ा भी कंसिस्टेंट रहे क्लास में तो आई गेस मोर और लेस मतलब एक दिन रात के पहले कवर हो जाता है। अगर नहीं भी थे कंसिस्टेंट लाइक 50 स्लॉट में गए हो तो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि एक हफ्ते पहले से स्टार्ट कलेक्टिंग मटेरियल्स, गेट इन टच विद टॉपर्स, उनसे पूछ लो कि क्या आ रहा है एंड स्टार्ट गोइंग थ्रू यूट्यूब वगैरह से यू कैन कोप अप जो भी पढ़ाई हो रही है क्लास में। सो दैट माइट ऑल्सो हेल्प।
डायरेक्टली तो मतलब हमारे साथ साथ के नोट्स के साथ यूट्यूब ऑल्सो हेल्प्स।
यूट्यूब हेल्प्स
I
एंड
think
इवन
ChatGPT
ChatGPT हेल्प्स।
या वो अभी काफ़ी अच्छा हमारा दोस्त और टीचर बन गया था। एनी ऑफ यू लाइक हैव स्टडी हैबिट ऑफ एन टीम वर्क और पीयर लर्निंग आप लोग को हेल्प की है? लाइक डू यू आर यू काइंड ऑफ सिंगल लर्नर लाइक मोनो लर्नर और यू यूज टू लर्न इन टीम्स लाइक स्टडी इन टीम?
आई थिंक इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट मोस्टली, बट आई थिंक लड़कियाँ मोस्टली अकेले पढ़ना प्रेफर करती हैं।
आई थिंक इफ़ यू वांट टू स्कोर वेल तो आई थिंक यू हैव टू गिव दैट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, तो वो अकेले ही हो पाता है। बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू लाइक पासिंग एग्जाम्स या आपको कुछ मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मार्क्स चाहिए, मिनिमम ग्रेड चाहिए लाइक 7 या 8, तो मे बी आई थिंक पीपल कंसिडर एंड बॉयज़ में जनरली देखा गया है कि दे डू स्टडी लाइक ग्रुप लर्निंग होता है।
लाइक मीन्स एकेडमिक जर्नी आप लोग की अच्छी खासी रही है फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड थर्ड ईयर में चीज़ें हेक्टिक होती गई या कैसी चल रही थी?
मतलब ऑनेस्टली फॉर मी थिंग्स गॉट अ बिट मोर हेक्टिक क्योंकि अपार्ट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक्स तुम कल्चरल इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करने लगते हो, यू गेट इनटू क्लब्स एंड मतलब यू हैव योर इंटर्नशिप कमिंग अप, यू विल प्रिपेयर फॉर स्टफ। सो या इवेंचुअली लोड गेट्स टू इंक्रीज ओनली। तो वो थोड़ा सा इस लाइक अ पैराबोलिक थिंग कि पहले फर्स्ट ईयर में कम होता है, सेकेंड थर्ड में थोड़ा ज़्यादा, फिर फोर्थ में अगर इफ़ यू गेट अ PPO तो चीज़ें थोड़ी और कम डाउन हो जाती हैं। इट्स लाइक दैट।
Like very rightly said in academics. Cultural event की आपने बात की. Any of you are part of any cultural event or something in clubs?
I've been a part of Technique for 3 years.
Okay.
I was the organizer in my first year when I first came to college. Then I was the co-team, and now like this tenure I was the development operations head. So that was one thing that has stuck with me for like most of my college life. Apart from that, I've been part of several clubs like Consulting and Analytics, ECEL, and
Okay.
Like similar to her, I have a journey in entrepreneurship club. Like I was around, I guess, 2.5 years I was with them. I have been like a part of the, as you know, the entrepreneurship fest in our campus, that is Utkam. I have functioned there as the intern fair head, and in the ECL I have been the product head. And it is like my personal advice that you should be associated with such clubs, because not just it's like a way of collaborating with people, but you on your personal level get to learn a lot of stuff, like some new domains you explore. You have a very great alum connect actually, because these clubs actually have a very long linkage of alum networks, so that is something you can leverage. So it's a personal, like, it's a personal recommendation that people should pursue clubs in colleges. That is it.
So this cultural, joining any club does bother your academic skills or academic part?
I think the one thing you learn through this is multitasking, and I think personally, if you are good at managing a lot of things together, that is along with your studies for your exams here, the domain knowledge you need to gain for whatever domain you're trying to get into for internships or placements, and as well as managing such PORs or like other club events that come up. I think the one thing that will help is multitasking, and that is a very good skill to have. So for me, I think I have done equally well in all these aspects. So I would highly recommend people joining something that they want to pursue later on, or maybe something that they find interesting.
Can you name some cultural events की जहाँ पर आप लोग ने बहुत enjoy किया है? Personally, मतलब जो
Alchemy
IIT का होता है.
Alchemy, obviously, it's like one of the favorite events.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the first culture that we had, the Vishal Shekhar आया था, that was the best culture.
Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah.
Any culture that you like कि हाँ आप लोग festival वगैरह में घर नहीं जा पाते होगे, then how could you manage कि यहाँ पर रहना है, home away from home?
I feel
It's great celebrating here also.
Yeah.
Like recently we had Diwali and it was like very beautifully organized. Like the campus takes a good care of the stuff that we don't miss our home back. We always have events like DJ nights and some, I guess, were laser shows were there. So
Yeah,
there were the
fireworks.
events, fireworks were there, and it kind of get nice only you have friends around and that feeling stays the same. So you run for that feeling. And
I
you
think for
get
the
that.
first few years you might miss your
Yeah.
festivals back home, but for some people I think this is a much better place to celebrate festivals.
Yeah. Because we're only 4 years here, but
Yeah,
we can
we
celebrate.
can celebrate
Celebrate
festivals
back at
back
home.
home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like can you share some funny moments or something like that?
आई थिंक हमारी डॉट आई की मीट्स होती थी एंड ऐसे पहले आधा घंटा हम बहुत सीरियसली ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कर रहे हैं क्या इवेंट्स कराने हैं, फिर उसके आधे घंटे बाद हम स्क्रिबल खेलना चालू कर देते थे इन सीसी रूम.
एंड लाइक फेस्ट रूम में आई थिंक जब हम लोग का टेक्निक्स का प्रेप चल रहा था, सो हम काम कर रहे थे, लाइक द वेबसाइट डिलीवर करनी थी, तो वी वर वर्किंग एंड देन एवरीबडी रैंडमली वुड से कि चलो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. एंड आई नो ये फेस्ट रूम में रोज़ रात को 2 घंटे क्रिकेट खेलते थे. तो मतलब हम लोग ने काफ़ी विंडोज़ भी तोड़ी हैं, बट लाइक इट वॉज फन.
I think the funny part for us were like the case competitions के submissions होते थे, and what I remember was हमारा एक इंटर का सबमिशन था, एंड उसमें बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट टाइम डेडलाइन थी, एंड हम ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट करते थे कि नहीं यार कैजुअली हर चीज़ का जैसे टाइम एक्सटेंड होता है ना, इसमें भी हो जाएगा. एंड हम बस 1 या 2 मिनट से लेट हुए थे और हमने उसको इतना ज़्यादा लाइक अटेंशन नहीं दिया था, एंड हम वो 1-2 मिनट से लेट होने में बस मजाक मस्ती में उसको लेट किया और हमारा सबमिशन डिक्लाइन हो गया था.
Did you like have been any part of any inter IIT competition or something? And
I was a part of the high prep problem statement for inter-IIT.
Same.
And like last year only I led a complete, I was the part of a complete low prep consulting, this was a consulting PS, so I was a part of a team. So inter-IIT is like the most exciting thing that happens when you're in the prep team. Like there are 2 parts, like prep and the extended team, but when you're part of the prep, that is the core team, so it is very exciting. Like you sit late night, you brainstorm on things, you ideate a complete thing, and then it's like you present your idea. And luckily we were, our PS that we worked on, it has got a bronze medal, so it was like a proud moment for the entire team, everyone who worked on it. So yeah, and like basically you have to get like late night submissions, you go eat Maggie and everything.
actually now this is around like academics हो गया, मज़े की बात हो गई. like hangout spot कौन सा मतलब बोल सकते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा बार जाते हैं आप, माना जाता है कि IIT का खूबसूरत जगह है आप लोगों के लिए?
I think KV, like you mentioned. After every all-nighter, it's like a rule to go there.
हाँ.
Even when like a technician ended this year, and everybody from our team was tired, like the juniors had slept obviously,
Yeah.
and it was only us heads left in the room, in the yoga room, and we were like, we haven't slept for 4 days, like not even 1 or 2 hours, and still we walked from Newsec to KV room just to have Maggie, and then came back and slept.
And there's like this fixed मैगी वाला जो थोड़ा आगे बढ़ के केवी
हाँ,
गेट से निकलते
हाँ.
सब वहीं खाने जाते हैं. And मतलब वो सुबह सुबह बनाता है, बहुत मस्त मैगी बनाता
होता है. नाउ करियर एंड बियॉन्ड आप लोग जैसे आते गए सामने तो सेकेंड थर्ड ईयर थोड़ा कॉलेज लाइफ से ज़्यादा प्लेसमेंट पे फोकस हो रहा होगा, तो ये स्ट्रेस तो अपना गया क्लब के लिए, और फिर उसके बाद प्लेसमेंट का आप लोग ने कब से स्टार्ट किया देखना, या अपने इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंसेस, पहला इंटर्नशिप कब हुई थी आप लोगों की?
Like my first internship that I did was मेरे first year का जो winter break आया था, मतलब when I joined college उसका नाम winter break था. So I just approached some of the companies through LinkedIn, and एक brand था, retail brand था. I just had a chance कि मेरे को basic skills आती, like as a first year they were not expecting much. I was like मेरे को data analytics आता है थोड़ा बहुत, मैं branding वगैरह कर सकती हूँ. And I just made a resume, sent them out, and they were like okay you can join. But it was like mostly unpaid क्योंकि first year में they are not mostly paid क्योंकि आप बहुत fresher होते हो, and you should actually not look for paid internships in your first year. This is my personal recommendation. Go for an unpaid, take a month of experience, start working with people, try to see how professionalism works in the outer world.
For my first internship मैंने December break में, winter break में किया था, and this was last year, and मेरा it was through LinkedIn only. Like I had, like there's a group where all the alums from all IITs globally are present. So I just put out a resume because I was bored, and I have I can't sit idle for a very long time. So I need to do something. And in that period of time, apart from skill development, there's only one thing I could do, which was an internship. So I got connected with a founder, like who I had just founded, like who's just starting a startup from scratch. And I think he was the alum from here only, 2014 batch. And since it was like he was developing something from scratch, I was very much involved in the initial part. Like I had to submit something for him to see, and he approved that, and then that is how I landed the internship. It was paid, but not that much. I could just the amount I was getting, I was happy with anything. So yeah, I just saw how things go about in the startup world, what things need to be considered when we're thinking of a product or we're trying to build something. So like yeah, it was a development AI plus dev internship only. So I spent it was a 1 month internship, but it got extended to 2 months because the work was not done, and the initial part was more like brainstorming and everything else. After that, I think I did 2 internships in this summer break. One was on site, one was remote. So I used to go to office, like that is both the internships were added through LinkedIn only, and it was off campus. So I used to go to office for like 8 hours, then go to gym, then come back and then sit with that work for the other internship, and that is how I spend most of my time for like
Summer breaks.
summer breaks. Yeah.
Right.
I worked on a research internship, I think before summer. It was like 2 months long, and I got it through LinkedIn, and it was at EY, and it was just very small team, 3-4 people, and they were working on RLHF, and I just said that I have ML experience, I want to work on ML, and they gave me RLHF. And even though like I couldn't get the code working because it was very hard, I couldn't figure it out, but it was like a good experience. Like it taught me a lot of things, and it was just before my summer internship, so that was nice that I had gotten to know how like the concept of stand-ups and like how to give updates and how to make talks.
Yeah.
So that was
Like
nice.
the amount of work you do every day, you have to just sum that up in 1 or 2 statements every day after your shift ends. So I think that is one thing that is very good that we learn from it.
As Ira mentioned very importantly, that is structuring. That is a thing that the companies are fond of, because in company no one has a lot of time to listen a whole lot of stuff about you. Say they really appreciate this thing if you can structure your answers, especially in consulting companies. You have to be very precise, you have to be very insightful, what have you tried. They don't care like how much have you put in an effort. They care what is the outcome, and
Output,
is it really like, does it has that so what factor in that. That is really what people in corporate world looks for.
Like people ask what, like how do I prepare for my internship? I don't think you can prepare for any internship
Yeah.
because you don't see their code, how it's integrated, it's so complex. You can't really do anything, and when they assign you a task, it's literally very niche, very
Yeah.
small. Like you can't even
And they
describe
don't
what
even
you did.
expect much from you. Like as an intern, they don't have much expectation.
Mhm.
Like they just want you to be more creative, think out of the box. Like in my case, all my PL wanted me to think some new tech hacks, because consulting is very much traditional by nature. He was trying to integrate some new AI technologies, and you can have a complete different work that you have expected. Like my expectation, what I went through, and the work that I delivered was two different things. So you should be very open to what comes in, and you should be ready to accept challenges. That is my one advice. If I have to give to anyone, I would really give this
Yeah.
advice.
To add to that, I also, when I joined my company, if you look at LinkedIn and if you look at the website, you will see it's a cybersecurity company. So I was expecting something aligns to full stack development, which is what I have been doing for a very long time, like AI plus dev or web development in general. But I went there. The one question they asked me was, do you know AI ML? And I said yes. So they asked if you would want to work in something which is a little outside of the box. We're working on a startup, and it's like a biomedical research based startup, and we're building whatever they describe. I can't reveal that, but yeah. And I think the best thing that I did was to say yes to what they said. If I would be willing to contribute to this part, was the best decision I took throughout this year.
Like this showcase on what you are today,
Mhm.
because I want to congratulate all of you as you already got your PPOs. So yeah, one you are in Google, one in Cisco, and one you are in consultancy company. So can you share like this from doing internship, now you got the job, so this all helps you. Like can you share about where you got your jobs?
Like these were, I guess, I remember.
For me, I think mine was very random. The company I was interning at is like they would have offered a PPO, but I didn't. Like it would have been it would have been better for me to try my hands out in on-campus placements. I was preparing for that, but we had like an hackathon earlier this summer, but for which we had an online assessment. But I didn't get shortlisted for the hackathon itself. But the company offered to take interviews for an FT role, like the full-time role, after that hackathon ended for few of the students. That is how I landed the job there.
Okay.
So mine was not a PPO, but that is through on-campus hiring.
Okay.
In my case, BCG visits our campus for internships, and like I got shortlisted for internship. I was interviewed there, and then I got selected to work for BCG during the internship period, and then there I secured a PPO, and then that's how I landed my job in consultancy.
I gave I was a step intern at Google in second year, so like usually these companies come to campus for female interns, because not only females, now they're expanding, now males get also that offer, but it's just diversity. I think like they want more women in tech, so they came to campus. So many companies come, Uber, Salesforce, LinkedIn. So I was part of those programs. Then in December, I was rigorously preparing for STEP, and like every day I used to do DSA, and it was so hectic. Like I remember that was the first time I had like done contests and back-to-back DSA problems. And then in January, when there were interviews, like there were 2 interviews, and then I got shortlisted for STEP. And through that, like the whole journey, like then I got the conversion offer for third year intern, and through that, after that third year intern, I got PPO.
Google.
Yeah.
So now connections and relationships, how you thought that this matters, like maintaining connections with your alums or
That is like, I guess, the most important thing that you can take back from college. Not just your alum, but like if I start from the very first, from your peer group itself, I remember my first interaction with my peer group was through the scavenger hunt. There's an event that is conducted by ESL in which they, like in a playful manner, they allow you to roam around the entire campus, make new friends, and even some of those people whom I met in scavenger hunt, they're still a very good friends to me. I guess that is one thing. Secondly, through clubs you meet new people. Through your hostel areas, you meet new friends, classrooms, and obviously, as you mentioned, like alums are like one of the major support and connection that you should have. Like apart from internships and scholarship or anything, they do fund also. If you have any startup idea, if any of your alum is an investor, VC, they can help you with that stuff. So yeah, that connection is really something you can take back from IT to IT, and that will really help you in coming future also. Because that gives a sense of belongingness to one community, and that community comes forward to help you if they have the right resources. So that is
And
the
I also
beautiful
feel
part.
like personally, since they are 1 or 2 years maybe ahead of us, like looking at the current seniors, uh, whatever we are going through right now, that is something they've already been through. So it's like when you convey something to them, it is not something very different from their domain. That they understand it, they understand your issues, and they're trying to come up with solutions. And when you move to new cities, I feel like if you know people there already, apart from the people you're interning with maybe or working with, it's good to have people in that city to help you explore or to help you figure out stuff where you can in that area. That is also helpful. Apart from that, like we discussed earlier, through the internships, I think alums are the best way possible to land internships. They would be very eager to help you out.
यहाँ पर IITG में आप लोग जब आए होगे स्टार्टिंग में, कुछ तो फर्स्ट ईयर में ऐसे चल रहा होगा यार क्या चीज़ होगी घूमने के लिए, मतलब एक्सप्लोरेशन, कुछ ट्रिप्स वगैरह आप लोगों की हुई है?
Trips तो
Meghalaya तो I've covered.
हाँ.
So I think, and we have heard like before coming we saw like YouTube videos of the campus itself.
YouTube videos like
तो
बहुत ज़्यादा
वो
hype
तो
होते हैं.
हाँ तो मतलब वो देख के तो it was like कि कितना सुंदर है everything else, and it was मतलब well said, मतलब वो उतना ही सुंदर था campus. Apart from that, I think first years like first, second, third year कुछ trips तो मैं गई हूँ, and I think Meghalaya वगैरह, Dauki and everything else. So वो भी fun experience होता है when you group like go with the group of people. And then I think the most fun part is not the places you visit. I mean वो तो actually fun है, you go there and look at everything which is very beautiful. But जो रात में we sit down and then we make like Maggie together or something, and जो conversations वो हो रही होती हैं, जो हम लोग games खेल रहे होते हैं वहाँ बैठ के, that is what is memorable.
Like the people with whom you go and वो सब चीज़ें बहुत, it's like it's a beautiful memory.
And I think college में trips करना is I think the best time you can do, because when you start working, I don't think इतना बड़ा group लेके it's possible to go someplace, because everybody किसी का भी schedule align नहीं होगा most probably. So I think this is the best time.
मैं तो कोई भी ट्रिप पे गई में से 18, 19, 20 लोग गए हैं, तो it has always been a huge adventure.
I was a fresher and I came to campus. मेरे लिए सबसे एक्साइटिंग मेरे लिए ऐसा अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट है, हमारे बैच का अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट वॉज टू विजिट व्यू पॉइंट, एंड वंस यू हैव गॉन देयर यू डोंट वांट टू गो, क्योंकि वहाँ पे इफ यू हैव विटनेस इट, इट्स लाइक अ वन टाइम थिंग, यू डोंट वांट टू गो अगेन इतने एफर्ट करके ऊपर तक. एंड द ओनली थिंग यू यूज अ डार्क कैंपस, जो कि इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, बट ठीक है एक बार फोटो खींच के गया तो उसके बाद बार बार जाना है.
यहाँ पर आप लोग के जो भी 4 साल बीता है, सो एवर यू फेल्ट डिप्रेस्ड और समथिंग लाइक वर्क लाइफ प्लस ये कैसे आप लोग ने कोप अप किया, अगर आपके ऊपर डाउन जा रहे हैं या एवर यू फील समथिंग डीमोटिवेटेड, हाउ यू यूज्ड टू कोप अप विद दैट?
I have went to counselors also in IITG, like जो भी होता है, साथ ही क्लब वाले भी, but ठीक है, like they help you out, but like it's on you mostly कि तुम कैसे ठीक
How you
करोगे.
take their advice, like that is so.
This is very true that you will face stress. There will be moments when you will break down. There will be things, but I guess ultimately that will help you reshape yourself in long run, and that will help you to. That will teach you methods to them, because each one of you will have different methods to cope with them. But this will, once you learn it, that will help you in long run for a very long time. That is one thing. You need to figure it out more on your ways only. Like you have to attempt, like see what works for you the best to fix you back.
Like you have to help yourself.
And especially, I guess IITs are like the premium institute that you can be, and here the situations are actually much more organized than whatever I have seen in other engineering colleges in all over India. So like it's very thankful to be here, to be a part and to be a part of such a premium institute. It's like a lifetime experience that person experiences here. So that's amazing thing in its own self.
It was really nice. Now I want you to just brainstorm your mind. बहुत rapidly answer देना है. So it's time for rapid fire round.
Okay.
So let's start with our rapid fire round. Notes or YouTube tutorials?
YouTube tutorials.
Chat GPT.
Unless
Out of
notes
the
are
box.
okay.
Chat
Out of the
GPT.
box.
I think
but
notes
honest
on.
answer है.
I think notes on Chat GPT.
Notes on that.
You cannot decode everybody's writing. So I think Chat GPT helps with that. That is what I do.
Group study or solo grind?
Solo.
Organizing or participating?
Organizing.
Depends on the festival.
Neither.
I will not organize. I will
Like
participate.
for ALSET, I think I want to be like
The audience part.
audience, and apart from that, I think organizing is fun.
Okay. One soft skill you learned outside academics?
To not care so much.
Structuring what you have, whatever information you have.
Like dealing with people. That is one thing I learned.
Okay. Most photogenic spot at IITC?
Okay.
My room.
चलो तेरे रूम में आ रहे हैं
I feel like IITG का logo जहाँ पे, I think that is a nice spot.
Depends who's taking the photo.
For freshers जो पहली बार कैंपस आता है, I guess the most photogenic spot is वो जो entry gate होता है ना IIT का, वहाँ पे वो उस पे सबकी एक फोटो होती है सबके
हाँ,
कैमरा
I think
में.
with family
हाँ.
sides.
नहीं.
Like
वो
you click the
बाहर.
pictures, no?
हाँ.
Like as you enter IIT, there is one logo,
हाँ,
अपना
हाँ.
पूरा stamp है वो. That is the most photogenic spot मेरे ख्याल से जो हर IIT लेता है वहाँ जाकर.
हाँ. Okay. Chill alone or talk it out with friends?
Talk it out with I'm थोड़ा
Depends.
extrovert type. हाँ, depends from mood to mood also. Sometimes
Yeah,
you want
I
to
think-
just
I think sleep on it.
Yeah.
ये
It's
अच्छा
the
लगा
best.
है. तीनों के अलग अलग आंसर थे.
Sleep on it.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Coffee.
doesn't matter.
चाय बगली.
9 to 5 job or startup?
9 to 5.
Consulting में 9 to रात के 1 बजे होता है.
Sannyas.
Both included. Both included.
I think money. Whatever gets me money, I'll do that.
True. So here are rapid fire questions also in. So it's like very beautiful journey with बहुत सारा adventure, happy moments, sad moments. काफी सही से मतलब आप लोग एक
And
adventure.
I only know one thing. You will get to learn a lot of things. मतलब the person who will enter this campus as you in the first year will not leave as the same person in your fourth year.
Yeah,
If you
you'll
happen
completely
to
change.
survive in this fourth year.
Okay. Absolutely.
So yeah, I think these 4 years teach you a lot, and I think it's good to be like in a place like this.
Didi, what matters most in landing a placement? Academics, skills, or how you talk in the interview?
So I guess all 3 of them are equally important. Like for on-campus internships or placements, especially your CPI matters a lot because many of the companies have some shortlisting criteria on the CPI basis. And skills are like the most important stuff because once you get a shortlist, this is something that helps you ace any OAs or any interview as well. Your performance in interview, I guess, yeah, that's pretty important, but more or less, I guess they check on your like technical skills or anything, so they don't. Your way of answering matters, but that is not the only aspect that our recruiters look into your interview. They do check your technical skills and many other skills as well. They check your problem solving ways. So yeah, that matters. I think all of them are more or less equally important. So you can grind in all the sectors. So you need to be well prepared from any domain you are like, whatever domain you are going to apply, you need to well prepare for them. Whatever requirement is there, you need to grind in all this.
Didi, what certification courses do you recommend apart from those that we do in the academics?
तो बहुत सारे कोर्सेज रहते हैं जो क्लब्स निकालते हैं जैसे कि CNA का समर कोर्स निकलता है, IITG.ai का भी ML.ai निकलता है, फिर FEC बूट कैंप करता है, so if you're interested in finance you can go for that. तो ये सारे कोर्सेज में सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है एंड इसमें हैकाथॉन वगैरह भी होती है. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर सिंस यू डोंट हैव एनी like prior experience. So it's from scratch and you get a certification and you can add that to your LinkedIn as well and add that to your resume if you want to.
साइड पे आई गेस कोर्सेरा पे बहुत अच्छे कोर्सेज होते हैं. यूडेमी के बहुत अच्छे लाइक बिजनेस एनालिस्ट या डेटा एनालिस्ट के कोर्स मतलब आई वुड रिकमेंड फर्स्ट ईयर शुड डू, क्योंकि सेकंड ईयर में इफ यू वांट सम बेसिक एंट्री लेवल जॉब्स या फिर इंटर्नशिप्स तो यू कैन अप्लाई थ्रू इफ यू हैव सम सर्टिफिकेशन इट विल रियली हेल्प यू टू बूस्ट योर सीवी.
और DS पैक तो करने होगा MS करेगा.
And I think IITG का जो email है उस पे you get like free courses
Yeah,
Coursera
student
so
loan,
you can
student loan होता है.
you can use that.
So Arya Didi, you're from non-circuital background. How did you manage to get a job in IT sector?
I feel like your branch doesn't play a role when it comes to like for companies which are only specific to circuit, then there might be an issue when it is on campus. But when it comes to off campus, I think what matters is your CPI. If you work hard in the field, and apart from that, whatever skills you develop throughout your college life for the first, second, and third year. So if you're interested towards let's say ML and AI, the certificates she mentioned or the certificates are available online, and the free resources you have, you can use that to develop your skill in that direction. That pertains to all other domains you're interested in. Apart from that, if you have relevant internships, even if you have freelance projects or side projects, and even if you don't land an internship, if you do projects or like you make self projects or like group projects, they also add a lot of value to your resume. So that will be a very important role when you apply for placements or apply for an internship. So yeah, and one important thing is networking. Not alone with the alums that we mentioned before, but also with people or random people on LinkedIn. So if you can try to add recruiters of maybe smaller companies, maybe because the people from the bigger companies won't respond that much. But if you can connect to the HR and send out you do cold mailing and you send out LinkedIn messages. So that could be one way to land such internships or like just get a conversation with them. And to understand what is going on in their company. That is something that will also help you out.
Especially smaller companies, it's pretty easy to reach out to their CEOs and CFOs or CTOs. So yeah, as Arya had mentioned, that this is pretty easy way to reach out to good companies, especially startups and everything. Also, there are several events that are organized by various stuff. You can attend those events. There are people coming from different backgrounds. There also you can do a lot of networking activities.